So earlier we had a quick look at the data that we have for this demo airline in Aviadex coming directly from the operator source system. And now it's visible for the engine MRO itself as well. So what we have here is a view of all of the engines under maintenance agreement from that operator with the MRO. So as the engine MRO, what do I want to do? I want to see that when are the engines coming to shop visit. So for example, we can choose all of the engines here. And then we can choose the kind of which strategy we want to use at the MRO. And then how many shop visits to plan. So let's take just one shop visit forward for now. And now here for this demo airline, we have some averages for the utilization of the engines as well.
So that's two 5-hour flights.
Yeah, yeah, basically.
So it's Helsinki to Malaga back and forth.
Yeah, exactly. So then what do we get here? So we have a forecast of engine shop visits coming for the next few years. So now looking at all of those 40 engines in scope, we get some statistics on where are the peaks in the volume during which months in the coming years. And then also very detailed parts requirements. So because we have that part level data, we know that which parts make sense to exchange in that shop visit. So typically we have an LLP or some other metric driving that specific engine shop visit. So then we want to ensure that the engine is in a state that it can last for as long as possible.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
For example, if we have another 4,000 flight cycles until the next shop visit, then we want to exchange all LLPs to ensure that we have a minimum of 4,000 flight cycles left in those.